Welcome back to our Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge created by everythingisart.com. If you're new here, this is Hobby 101, where we explore one Zentangle pattern a day and weave them all into a single evolving masterpiece. Today's pattern is Tripoli, a timeless Zentangle Inc classic built on the harmony of triangles. It's all about rhythm, repetition, and that satisfying sense of structure that makes your brain say, symmetry. Let's warm up with a few Tripoli clusters on a small practice tile before adding it to our final piece. Tripoli looks fancy, but it's built from one of the simplest shapes, the triangle. Let's walk through it step by step. Begin with a single equilateral triangle. Keep it light and relaxed, no ruler, no pressure. This little shape is your base unit. Now add another triangle beside it, sharing one full side like a friendly neighbor. You'll see the two shapes form a little diamond or bow tie. Keep adding triangles, each one sharing a side with an existing one. You'll start to see a small web forming. That's Tripoli beginning to tessellate. My suggestion is to work in small clusters of triangles, 3 to 6 at a time. These little groups will naturally curve and grow into circular pods. Here's a variation. Inside each triangle, draw a smaller echo triangle. This adds rhythm and dimension. You can fill or shade them later for contrast. Keep building your clusters, letting them grow outward and meet others. Adjust sizes slightly to fit curves or spaces. It's okay if there are imperfections. It just makes it look more organic, more natural. Finally, add gentle shading where triangles meet. A soft touch of graphite at intersection brings that beautiful 3D effect. And if your triangles wander off course, don't worry. Zentangle reminds us there are no mistakes, just new shapes discovering who they want to be. Technique Spotlight. Tripoli lives in the rule of 3. 3 sides, 3 points, infinite possibilities. Artists have used triangles for centuries to symbolize balance, strength, and creativity. Even the pyramids are built on that truth, solid, grounded, and reaching upward. So when you're drawing Tripoli, think of it as stacking calmness, one triangle at a time. Now that we've got the rhythm down, let's bring Tripoli into our growing Inktober masterpiece. Each pattern we've added this month has brought its own energy. And Tripoli is all about balance. Let's see where it fits best. I'm drawing Tripoli near the center today, where it can anchor the flowing organic shapes we've added in previous days. Its geometric precision creates a beautiful contrast against all that movement. Here I'm using my lightest nibbed pen, the Sakura Micron 005 size. I wanted a really light, very thin, very fine line to make all these triangle background. I didn't want it to overpower and make the piece even more busy. I mean, there's going to be 31 patterns in this finale masterpiece. Notice how Tripoli brings calm through repetition? It's like meditation made of triangles. As we fill in the clusters, the pattern starts to tessellate, each shape locking into place perfectly. That's when your brain slips into the flow zone. You're not counting or planning anymore. You're just building balance. There's something oddly satisfying about connecting triangles. It's geometry therapy. If triangles ever gave you a headache in math class, this one's finally on your side. Each intersection becomes a tiny focal point. That's the Zentangle principle in action. Focus through structure. See how the triangles interlock? It's a visual reminder that balance isn't about perfection. It's about connection. I didn't do any shading here, but in general for Tripoli, I keep shading to a minimal, just a touch of graphite under the overlapping lines to give a bit of depth, but not so much that it loses its crispness. I decided that I wasn't going to add shading in this masterpiece only because I'm thinking of doing a live video where I'll be coloring and adding color to this, and I might shade it using colored pens or colored paints. We'll see. And that's day 16, Tripoli, a classic that reminds us that calm and order can coexist beautifully with creativity. Join me tomorrow for day 17 of the Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge, where our composition keeps growing, one mindful pattern at a time. A quick reminder, when you like, comment, or subscribe, YouTube shares this calm space with more people who need a creative break. Thanks for helping spread the Tangle love.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.